Hi everyone, my name is Rahul Chaurasiya. I did my BTech in Electronic and Telecommunication from AKTU Lucknow in 2018. I just want to share one thing that if you want to start your career in IT and planning to join any institute to start your career, then I have highly recommended you to join eVision Technosur, where you learn basic networking, CCNA, network administration, window administration, ITIL, cyber security, Linux administration, etc. We have also learned all these things in eVision Technoson, which helped me to land my first job in IT. I got placed in Total IT Global uh, as a desktop support engineer with a salary package of 3.24 LPA. I thanks to Mr. Ganesh sir and Sati ma'am, all the team member in eVision who helped me to get my first job. And thank you.